everyone, we have this Biotique Ocean Kelp anti-hairfall shampoo. Let's check it out. So this one is 190 ml bottle, MRP is 225 and I got it from Amazon for just 146. I put the link in the description box. This shampoo is suitable for all hair types and can be used by both men and women, and it contains no harmful chemical like SLS, paraben or synthetic fragrance. It's 100% Ayurvedic and natural. The texture is a bit thick, so I dilute it with the water before applying, and it creates really good lather and cleans well. The main ingredient here is ocean kelp, seaweed, which is rich in mineral. It also contains natural ingredient like bringraj, neem that strengthen and reduce hair fall. So I have been using it for quite some time now, and there's been good reduction in hair fall. One small point, if you have oily or combination scalp, this will suit you very well, but for dry hairs it can make it a bit drier, so definitely use a conditioner. So this Biotique shampoo is completely value for money. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.